Hey, what's up ladies and gentle tubers? It's Tyler. Welcome back to the Everride channel, and I have to admit, this whole summer it's been really hot. I haven't actually gotten on my motorcycles once, but I haven't been neglecting the channel. I've actually made a new channel, which kind of feels like I've been cheating on you, but trust me, it's for you guys. It's for this channel. Now, in summers past, while it's too hot to ride, I've usually spent my time sitting on my can, moving my thumbs around on something like this. But this year I did something completely different. I sat around and moved my thumbs around on something like this. But hopefully it is a benefit to the channel. Here are the results. Enjoy.
Wanna bathe myself in you. Wanna break my soul in two. 'Cause I would die to give what I take. Illusions are still on my skin.
So you guys, the hundreds and hundreds of hours that I've put into learning how to fly FPV, it's not really gonna boost the channel. I don't really care about that. What I do care about is getting those awesome shots and kind of pushing that creativity for you guys, so that you guys, when you watch the Everride channel, you enjoy what you see. When you come out to the rallies, you love the footage that you get that I send home with you. And really, these hundreds and hundreds of hours that I've put in, kind of a love letter to the whole community. I've always kind of tried to push a little bit of moto videography creativity in the past, whether it's by strapping an aluminum skewer to my back and risking becoming an ever kebab, or dangling an expensive action camera off of a drone that could just fall out of the sky at any minute or try to fly back home, like to China, or whether that's carrying around a big expensive cinema camera on my chest to get that perfect shot, even though I've actually broken my sternum twice doing that. But the 4K I think is worth it. So you guys, I really hope that you will enjoy the new FPV footage that's coming out on the Everride channel. FPV is really quite difficult to learn. To hire out an FPV pilot or a professional drone pilot is very expensive, but that's where I'm happy to do it for you guys when you come out on these rallies and to make videos for you. So it's one of those skills that I hope that you enjoy. But really, you guys, more than anything, it's a love letter to you guys. It's so that you know that I really do mean it when I say it. Much love. Everride out.